Page 50, Rock of My Soul. Top of page 50, they talk about the D major scale. The key of D major has two sharps, the F sharp and the C sharp. In Rock of My Soul, you see those two sharps at the beginning of each line, the key signature. So, as usual, I would recommend you go do my scale video on D major, the intermediate part, 2 octaves up and down. Learn it. You're going to need to know the primary chords too. I'm sure they'll get around to that eventually. But I want to talk about Rock of My Soul. Got a lot of eighth notes going on here. Take it slow. When you're first learning it, just play it as it is. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And see the tie? If the tie is messing you up, then simply remove it temporarily and play all the notes. See if you can get the rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And when you can get that, put the tie in. You think playing the note, you're just not playing it, you're holding it down. See if that helps. The rhythm in the first couple of measures is pretty much the rhythm throughout, one form or another. You'll get those 2 measures and you pretty much got it. I don't have a lot to point out. It's straightforward. You got accents, an accent, a little extra oomph on them. You got staccatos. There's no pedal in this because no, it's too blurry. When you got notes going all over the place, leave the pedal out pretty much. There's a DCL fine. You got first and second endings there on 51. There's no repeats on it at the first ending, and it tells you to next strain. Don't have to do that, but they did. Well, so when you do the first ending, then you'll immediately go to the next line and finish out the page. Also, as part of the style of the music, you can play the eighth notes long short. Just swing the eighth notes. Have some fun with it. So let's try this out. That's kind of a fun piece. 4/4 time. I'll give us 4 counts. Now this is assuming you've learned it. Now you're just checking your notes and rhythms with me. 1, 2, and ready, and go, and. Beginning. Now the piece is marked Allegro moderato, which is moderately fast. I don't know how fast that is, and I don't know if there's recordings of this around. There probably are. It's a fun piece. But in case there's not, I'll give you an idea what I think it should sound like. It's something like this.